I would say good morning, but it's way too late for that. So, good day, good day, good day, YouTube family and friends. Oh, yeah, it was a long night last night. We got home, I think it was like 12:30, a quarter to 1 this morning, something like that, when we actually walked in the door. So, it was a long night. Let's see what these babies are doing down here. Well, you're just looking for a free meal on the other side of the fence, there, ain't you? They, as you can see, thinned out quite a bit. And look at that. An empty cage. The lop-ears are gone. Well, Mama, you're over here all by yourself now. Yeah. And all these are gone. Oh, Papa here. He's still here. You and your big self still here. This side it's still full. 3 rabbits and the quail. The mamas and daddies. And of course, more quail here. These are the ones I hatched at the house. Look how much they have grown. They are getting to be big boys and girls. With your fluffy top you got there. Let's see. And these here were the last ones I hatched at the house. They're not on a heat lamp no more. That's just a light. Give them some daylight. And the baby quail's doing good. And hello, y'all. I'm gonna rotate guineas. The ones, when they're hatched, you go through a period of time there to wait to see if they're all gonna make it, and they all don't usually you lose some. But after I get them numbers up, the older ones that came from somewhere else that wasn't hatched here, I'll be selling them. But with the exception of 3, Bonnie and Clyde and their sidekick, I think they're gonna stick around. Bonnie's living her best life, just running free in the chicken pen where she seems to be happy doing. She can get out anytime she wants to. She chose to go in there when she got out of the guinea palace, and I just left her. She just seemed to be happy there. So let's walk over here and see how the doghouse sitting out in the field out in the chicken area here. We're supposed to have more rain. Rain last night. Late yesterday afternoon. We're supposed to have more rain this evening. Let's go see how she hatched her own babies out here. Let's see. Hi, Mama. Yeah, there's your babies ain't coming out. They're in there. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. There's 2 of them. She's taking good care of them. Again, because it's down there on the ground, Scott's done all the watering and feeding on this side. Taking care of them. Yeah. But anyway, they're enjoying life there. I woke up stiffing a board. Let me follow this chicken track through the grass here. Could come out. Hey, Bonnie. Yeah, you're on camera. Oh, what, you haven't combed your feathers this morning? They look like they're well groomed. She's made that stall in the barn her place. Hello. No, I don't have nothing for you. Don't come to me. Here comes another one thing. Oh, they know something I don't know. Let me run over here too. No, the corn is on the ground. That's all you're getting. Yeah. That pug face of yours. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You're a grandpa. Yeah, you got such a pug face. He looks like an old man. Well, Scott's been working on fixing where the cows escaped while they were going to Germany, and got them back to where they can come back to the lower side down there. But we've still got them blocked off from up here because he said that the charger was weak up here for some reason. Something was shorting it out, so I'm gonna walk around and look. One dead ends here and one keeps going. So I'm just gonna walk it off. The bottom strand, that's the dead end to the bottom strand. But the top one, we run it all the way down to keep the cows off of this fence here from where the chickens are, so they won't mess it up. Use it for a back scratcher. Let's see here now. This one looping through here. Gotta take my sunglasses off in order to do this. Touching there's that. Okay. Well, that looks good. And this is a gate, so. Now, so we're jumping it from there to here. Checking that looks good. Them look good. Just jumping over there. Then we might need to bring the weed whacker right to this section right here. These connections here at this post corner look good. I'm gonna check one more, and I'm gonna down on that end down there, and I'm gonna quit. I think I'll come back, knock this off of this part of the fence right here with the weed whacker real quick. I know we're good all the way down through here at the fruit tree line. Okay, top connection is good. Bottom connection, everything's good. I'm gonna start over yonder. That's the worst of it. But while I'm on this end, let me go ahead and, I know they don't need no food. Let me go turn the water on, because I want to fill that water up and put it back up. Well, y'all sure have pulled a lot of food out here on the ground again. You know what you gotta do? You gotta clean it up. And she's not laying no more eggs, from what I can see. Is she only a 5-egg layer? Well, y'all fixing to get some fresh water. I'm gonna spray water on top of this sunshade. It don't run in, it just drips in. Keep the ground cool. Good fresh water. Yeah, a lot cooler in there now. I sprayed that, ain't it? It's even cooler in there. Like I turned the air conditioner on for you, didn't I? Have I got y'all's interest? Are y'all wondering what I'm doing? Hmm? How about that? I'll walk around and put you some water in that. I don't have to walk around. I can just do that right there. That's a little higher than the one in yonder, but they can reach it. you go. Now they're back to having water in 3 places again. Alrighty, let's go turn the water off before we forget it. Well, let's took care of them for right now. It's Saturday. You know what Saturday means, don't you? Yeah, that's right. Gotta have $1. Go to the Dollar General store. And it's also a treat every Saturday. They get some, I'm gonna give them some more Grub Terra and some of their other favorite stuff, which doesn't have as much protein as the Grub Terra, but they love it. So it's sunflower seeds and stuff. What's been going on over there? Anyway, the air conditioner just kicked on in the house, and I think I'm going to go enjoy it as soon as I cut this water spigot off. Y'all keep smiling. Thanks for joining us, our new subscribers. Glad to have you aboard our little ship. We hang around the farm here and take little road trips once in a while. I know I gotta get a bus. I'm getting so many. I'll have to get a big luxury Greyhound bus. Couldn't you see me pulling up in front of some place in a big old Greyhound bus going, nobody visible in the seats, and I go, I got it from a YouTube family so they could ride with me. Think they'd lock me up. Anyway, let me go in here and cool off. And I'm gonna come back and wipe them weeds right there. The sun's come back through the clouds again. So, before it rains, maybe I can get it done. Pepper seeds still haven't come through. How long does it take pepper seeds to come through the ground where you can see them starting to grow? I just planted them about 1/4 of an inch in the ground, like it said. I figured surely there'd be a little something popping up already, but not yet. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. Well, I guess I'm gonna bring my video to an end today. Pretty much what my day was, how it is. I'm on my way to the Dollar General and then back to the house. I didn't get do the weeds because the storms moved in pretty quick. It's just, it looks much later, but it's just 5 o'clock right now. But they're not predicting it to dry up, of course. And they got these severe wind warnings and possible high winds and hail and heavy rain, thunderstorms. And I thought while it wasn't raining too bad, I'd head on up to the Dollar General store and get it behind me. I hope y'all have a blessed day, afternoon, and tomorrow will be even more of a blessed day. And like always, remember, you can keep smiling because you got a reason to. Jesus loves you. And that's worth smiling about right there. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will be a little better. They got rain in the forecast for several days again. All right. Good night.